Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Tech Words. And as part of the domain knowledge series, today we have come with a new topic, that is packaging management in supply chain management. Packaging means packaging, wrapping, putting things in a safety box. So these all are packaging just before the delivery. So let's see, packaging management is a critical and often estimated aspect of business operation, from the intricacies of supply chain to final stages of distribution. Effective packaging management is the piece of puzzle that ensures product reach customers in optimum condition. Detail is among the most important thing when it comes to packaging. You must choose material that balance competence, protection, and sustainability, as well as creating eye-catching designs that communicate your corporate brand effectively. Packaging management requires seamless coordination and communication across departments such as suppliers, designers, manufacturers, QC, and transport. As products travel from supplier to customer, packaging becomes the guardian of product integrity. Packaging not only prevents damage but enhances efficiency, minimizes waste, and reduces cost. As environmental responsibility grows, it is important that we consider sustainability in great detail when thinking about packaging. How can packaging be generated more sustainably, and how can it be made sustainable for consumers? According to United States Environmental Protection Agency, 82,220 tons of packaging was generated in 2018 in US alone. Just over 50% of it was recycled and 38,470 tons went to landfill. So, in this article, we'll explore all aspects of packaging industry, strategies, design processes, proofing, printing, and distributing packaging, plus tips on how packaging design software can help every step of the way. So, we'll unraveling the product packaging and its key benefits from the beginning of the supply chain to its final stage before finding its way into the customer's hand, and how it plays a pivotal role in shaping the consumer customer experience. The fast way to get feedback on packaging. Get clear and collaborative comments right on the top of your packaging network. So, what is packaging management? Packaging management is a system which ensures products are looking and working their best. It is mastermind that choose the best materials, sizes, designs, and functions to protect the product inside and make it look nice. Aesthetics is important. Packaging needs to look good, but it's not everything. Packaging management is a mix of practicality, functionality, and style. It is about matching the right packaging to the right product, ensuring it's protected during journey from manufacturer to customer. This process is team effort when different departments work together to ensure that every detail is on point and functionality functioning perfectly. From packaging design to QC quality control, packaging management is a cyclical process. It's about creating a memorable unboxing experience for the customer while keeping it sustainable, cost effective, and secure. In a nutshell, graphic design project management or a packaging management is the backbone of a product, creating an enjoyable customer experience while keeping products safe and sound along the way. Five essential functions of the packaging management process. First is production. Packaging serves to keep the product safe in transit while it is in storage and going through handling. It keeps the product safe from external factors like moisture, dust, and temperature changes. This is especially important for food products or pharma packaging because they can get damaged easily they can of no use after some time. If they get moisture and they get eaten by some insects, then there is no use of that. So we have to be extra cautious while dealing with food products or pharma packaging. Second one is branding. Packaging design is integral to a business branding. When designing packaging, we should consider the use of colors, graphics, and logos. Product branding separates a product from its competitors and make it easily recognizable at a glance. We all know what a pink B and a yellow M means when we see one. Third one is compliance. All packaging must comply with governmental health and safety regulations, ensuring that it's labeled with safety hazards and instruction on how to open the product, especially if you are dealing with medicine packaging design. Fourth one is sustainability. As previously mentioned, almost half of the packaging generated in the US goes straight to landfill. Brands must ensure that they are using sustainable materials when creating packaging, adding by environmental regulation and urging customers to recycle. Cost effectiveness. Packaging management is a big win-win when it's cost effective for manufacturer and consumer. This can be accomplished by picking material and design that are effective and budget friendly. After all, just a few cents difference in unit price can work out to have huge cost saving at a scale. How to manage the packaging design process? So managing the design process is an important aspect of effective packaging material management, ensuring that products not only reach their desired destination in perfect condition but also create a memorable experience for the customer. The intricate and lengthy process requires a mix of creativity, logistics, customer centric thinking, while aligning with the broader goals of supply chain and overall packaging management strategy. Let's look at the key things you will need to manage during your packaging design process. First, create a design that brings your brand to life. The first step of packaging design management is to understand the product, the target audience, and the brand's identity. It's about more than just aesthetics. Of course, it helps if the product looks good, but it's really about the customers. When design aligns with brand's value and speaks to the customer, it forms a sense of connection between business, product, and consumer. Second, set up process for fast and centralized collaboration. One thing is to remember, design collaboration is key. The design process involves close communication between all divisions, specifically the design teams, marketing teams, and supply chain managers. By implementing a dedicated label design software, you will be able to produce top notch packaging design that combines functionality and creativity. This is where material, packaging size, durability, and attractiveness all are considered to ensure the product remains intact through the supply chain and comes out the other side looking great. Third one is work out your budget and stick to it. Another extremely important consideration is cost effectiveness. Businesses are always looking to reduce cost. Packaging management about finding the sweet spot between design quality and budgeting. Efficient material and streamlined design can help reduce costs without compromising on production or aesthetics. Think about sustainability from the start. Reducing environmental impact is increasing essential in today's eco-conscious world. Packaging design plays a vital role in sustainability efforts by utilizing eco-friendly materials, optimizing packaging size to minimize waste, and incorporating recyclability. The design process can contribute significantly to a brand environmental responsibility. By curating eco-friendly materials, optimizing the packaging size to reduce waste, and incorporating recyclability, the design process can contribute hugely to a brand environmental responsibility by way of labeling, infographics, and instructions. Fifth one is test your packaging with prototypes. The testing stages are crucial in managing packaging design. By creating prototypes, manufacturers and supply chain managers can really get a feel for whether they are working, helping to identify potential flaws and areas of improvement. After all, bad packaging design can tarnish your brand and repel customers. This process ensures that the final design meets functionality, aesthetic criteria, and aligns with the health and safety with the packaging management strategy. Every business needs continuous improvement. Sixth one is move with the times. The packaging world is ever evolving, so packaging management must be adaptable. Where trends change, customers' wants and needs shift, and technology advances, effective packaging management requires a constantly evolving roadmap. For supply chain managers and holders to keep their packaging strategies as malleable as possible, packaging must be regularly assessed via customer feedback, market trends, and supply chain efficiencies. Proofing how to get your packaging artwork and ready for print. Designers and supply chain managers must proof and approve the packaging artwork before it is printed. This is critical step in the processes that ensure that final product matches the vision, aligns with the brand, and passes quality control. As you probably know, sending large design files via email can be headache, but by using a purpose-built tool for proofing your packaging, you can prevent expensive errors and delays in production, not to mention thousands wasted in reprinting cost. So here is how to effectively proof your packaging artwork before sending it to printers. Review. All text, graphics, logos and other design elements must be carefully examined. It is important that all copies check for spelling and grammar errors, as well as any stark differences in color font sizing. All essential information such as product details, description, barcodes, and legal requirements are included. Second one is color reproduction. It must be ensured that colors in your packaging artwork match what's intended. To do this, you can use color swatches and Pantone references to keep it consistent. Do remember that colors can appear differently on different screens. So it's important that you use color calibrated monitor like EJO. Image quality. Aim for minimum resolution of 300 ppi pixel per inch to ensure that your images will print clear as day. It's any lower than this, your image can appear pixelated and slightly blurry when printed. D lines and fold. Your packaging may contain unique shapes or folds. It is important that die lines and folds are accurately represented in the printed artwork. If it is incorrectly positioned, it can lead to faulty packaging and which is costly and wasteful. Proofreading. It can be stressed enough how important it is to have precise look over your work. When proofreading and editing, you can easily become fatigued and overlook errors, so enlist a team members or two to proofread. Print test proofs. It's always handy to print test proofs of your artwork before finalizing. By doing this, you can test color accuracy, D-lines and folds, images and overall appearances. Your proofs will print as a small scale version of your finalized work, perfect for comparing to your digital version. Barcode and QR codes. If your packaging needs QR codes or barcode, the best thing is to do is test them with scanners to make sure they are correctly generated and placed on the packaging. Version control. By keeping version control on file, you can keep a clear vision of your artwork. Use file naming convention that indicate each version by time so you know which version to send for printing. Communication. It's important to maintain communication with your print provider. With them, you can discuss the specific printing requirements, flag potential issues, and ensure a smooth and easy printing process. So, this was all about the packaging management. I hope this video will give you some ideas about packaging, its challenges, why we do it, what are the role of it, benefits of it. So I think this is all about packaging management. So please If you like this video, please subscribe our YouTube channel. Don't forget the name TechBird. We will come up with more videos with the domain knowledge. Till then, goodbye.